Good morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with interference with duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, ma'am. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay.
This is on April 28, 2024, officers observed multiple people fighting in the parking lot of Stampede Bar located at 11925 East Tex Freeway in Harris County, Texas. Officer observed the defendant, Autumn Champagne, grab one person and throw them to the ground. While officers attempted to separate them, the defendant turned around, swung her hand, knocking off the officer's radio, slightly pushed him back. Person thrown to the ground declined to prosecute and uncooperative. Criminal history, it was a assault on a family member 2021 in Harlan City. However, that case was dismissed.
Wait. So how did she interfere? What did she do?
So-
Read it again, will you?
Well, that's what I wrote. I can tell you the facts of the case. There was a fight. There was an officer there. He's in a parking lot. There was a fight that was ensued. He entered into the fight.
The officer did.
The officer entered into the fight as she and another person was fighting and was separating, I guess, in her attempt to swing on the other person that she was fighting with. The officer interfered and the blow landed on the officer's radio. Officer acknowledged that he was not harmed or injured.
What?
Your Honor.
No. Did you hear about this on Champagne? Oh. Yeah, all right. Ma'am, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Be careful. You get into a pissing match with officers, who's going to win?
Yeah.
All right. So be careful. All right. Just hang tight and take a seat, Green, but I'll find no probable cause. Yes, ma'am.